Mincha. Sorry. Hello everyone, welcome back to Minshas world. All of them like cake. Today we will see the recipe of a spongy and tasty cake. It is mango spongy cake. So let's check out the recipe. Friends, I take a jar. Now we can add 2 eggs, half cup of sugar, half cup of oil, mango medium size 1, now we can blend it. Our mango mix is ready. Now we can add 1 cup of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, baking soda half teaspoon, next we can add 1/3 of milk. Now we can mix it well. Friends, I take a mold. Now we can grease with oil. I am adding a little flour for grease. Friends, now we can pour our mango mix into the mold. There is some bubbles. Now we can clear it. Now we can close it. Friends, now our mango cake is ready. We can open it. So here we go, there is absolutely delicious mango spongy cake. It is very easy to make this at your home. Do try this recipe and enjoy with your family. All details are in the description box. So thank you for watching my video. You need to subscribe, like, share and just press the bell button. Bye bye. This is Mincha from Minshas world. Hello everyone, welcome back to Minshas world. Today welcome back to Minshas world.